We're going to do a video on AAPL. That's Apple stock, AAPL stock. We've got a daily chart here for you of Apple. Apple is up today, $8, up 6%, trading at $143 and a penny. It's 52 million shares on average daily volume of 87 million shares. Let's take a look at Apple real quick. We can see it's in a bear market. It's been in the bear market since about August of 2022, and it's flirting here on the end of October with the 200-day moving average, but it's way down here in bear market territory. The stock is rallying tremendously today, up $8, but it's still below the 20-day moving average, which has gone flat. It's above the 5-day moving average, and it may have put in a bottom back here in November, but here's your October 13th low, which was a low for a lot of stocks, 134.37. This low is 134.38, so that's above it, and that's a good sign. It looks like they're taking that as a good sign and rallying it. But I wouldn't put a whole lot of stock in this yet. This one right here, that's more like a way of a commodity would trade. Stocks don't normally test their lows as aggressively as this. Commodities do all the time, but this is a really aggressive test of this. I want to see that this price gets above the 20-day moving average, gets up here in this 150 range, and gets the green 5-day moving average above the 20, and the price above the 20 and the 5. I haven't seen that, and I'm not going to be convinced until I do. The next target after that would be the 155 target to get above or to flirt with this 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at the weekly and see what's going on there. Then I'm going to show you some algorithmically generated prices after we look at the hourly chart. We can see on the weekly chart the stock is sideways. I mean, that's just the way it is. It's oscillating around $155. Has been all the way back since March of 2022. There's not a whole lot of big deal going on here. Apple is not in a terrible situation. On a weekly chart, it's not even in a bear market. It's holding higher bottoms, but this stock is a $155 stock on average, and so it's oscillating around there. That's just what's going on. My take for entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look at the hourly. We can see that this is a 200-hour moving average. You can see it's still sloping down, but it's starting to flatten out. I would say technically that's really getting flat there. But on an hourly chart, we can see this is seriously overbought. This is almost certainly, for entertainment purposes only, got to drop down to the 139-ish area or maybe lower. And of course, that's my opinion. I could be wrong. But it's definitely overbought on an hourly basis. Does that mean it couldn't go all the way up here to 148 or 149? No, it doesn't mean that. But it does mean it's overbought right this second. And so we'll just have to see what happens. It's parabolic, and usually things that are parabolic usually drop down. So I would easily look at 140s, 138ish, 137. So maybe 137 is too aggressive, but 138 is certainly not too aggressive for a correction on this stock. And we're currently trading right around 143ish, I think, on this stock, somewhere flirting around there, 142ish. So that's the hourly. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. We've got algorithmically generated stocks for today, November 10th. Apple is right at the top at 132 on a buy, 133, 134 for 1, 5, and 20-day holds. Buys across the board, but this stock has not got that low. Let's take a look and see what's going on. I don't think it entered into that territory to buy. We got the direction right, or the algos did, but the stock never traded down there. Low for the stock's 139.50. So the algo got the direction right, but it's not didn't go low enough. Let's take a look at the trend following system. Those are non-trend following. And we can take a look right here, 30-day hold trend following system. This is for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. Hypothetical only, and it's for the 10th today. 30-day hold, get out at the end of 30 days at a loss or take your profit sooner if you get them. Apple is a short at 138.55, and so that means this thing had you shorting at the absolute bottom of the day today. And let's take a look and see. That is consistent with my analysis that the stock is overbought, but who knows? Maybe everything's wrong. It's all for entertainment purposes only, but it's just a short. Again, for entertainment purposes only at 138.55 today for Apple. If you like these prices, you can get access to all of them for free every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. We have 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, and you can get them for free. No credit card required. You get a free trial with your email address. Follow the link to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get instant access to everything we cover, all updated by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, everything's for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment, including the entry prices and the commentary. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol, a future symbol, or a currency that you want us to do a video on, please leave it in the comment section below, and we will seriously consider doing it if it's a popular one and we think enough people would like to see it.